Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to change your Mac language. Let's start the video. First, what you have to do, just open your system preferences. Now here you can see language and region. Click on language and region. Now what you have to do, you can see here a preferred languages. Just you can see on the bottom plus icon. Click on plus icon. From here, just select the language. Let's suppose I want to select English South Africa. Just click on add. As you can see, a new pop-up here on my screen. As I want to make it a primary language, just click on use English South Africa as a primary language. Or if you want to use by default US language, just click on use English US. Again, the same method to add another language. Just click on add button and simply just select the language. Click on add. Whether you want to make it primary, just click on primary, or otherwise by default language. Now the last step, what you have to do, just close this tab and just restart your MacBook. When you restart your MacBook, your language will change. I hope you find this video very useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.